Hi, I'm going to work right now, and that's also been the theme for this week. But I also had my finals for Spanish and accounting, and yeah, a lot of school, a lot of work. But it's almost Christmas, so enjoy! So let's see, where's the 7th? It's this one. My marketing class started and we had to present what we chose for our project. So here's me showing what we chose. Here we had some pizza left over from yesterday, and I wanted to show you our Christmas elf. He has a hat on, or she, we don't know. And then I continued with my marketing plan, or it's with 2 people, so it's a team, or there's 2 of us, oh my god. But I was doing the marketing plan for that one. Okay, so this is what I've done for now. There's no text in these because I have to add those, but as I was saying, I really like pretty PowerPoints, so that's how I usually make them. I might try to make them colorful, but as my teacher said in our freshman year, pink is not an academic color, so no pink, but colors still. And we are going to be releasing our investment guide tomorrow, so I'm also going to link it down below. So if you're a student or anyone who's interested in investing, I really suggest you check it out. Hi, okay, a new day, a new window to open, so let's find the 8th. I'm so tired, I don't get it. Oh my god. But it's the last week of school, the final week. And then I have a lot of work, but I can do this. I think I'm too tired to overanalyze these things. Let's try tomorrow, see what number 9 is. And I also have another calendar today, which is the bigger calendar that we have on the stairs. So I have that one today also, so I'll maybe get some candy. Then I had my communications class, and for today we had to present also our projects, so that's what I was doing.
Yeah, and I think even though this is, like Nyamsa said, it says for students, but these are things that everyone could read. Even investors who've been investing, there's things that if they aren't particularly investing to sustainable investments, this could be something new that they could learn from this. So there's quite a lot of information in this guide.
Then I left to the store. So it's beautiful. It's a sunset already. It's almost 3 o'clock and the sun is already setting. So yay, Finland. This is very unexpected, this light that we have today. Everyone's been taking pictures of the sky the whole day. And I just realized that last week I showed you this in the dark, so now you can see it. It's not that scary. Yeah, I like to take this route because it's very pretty here, But yeah, it looked much more scarier in the dark when the train came and there were no lights or anything. But yeah, it's quite pretty. Here it is, some more sky. Yay. And my impulse purchase was this chocolate and I couldn't wait, so I just opened it on the way. And then I really wanted to do potato chips, so that's what I was doing here. It's pretty easy to do at home and they're very, very, very good. I highly suggest you try them. And for me, stressful situations become a little less stressful when I dance. Okay, hello, day 9. It's open. This is honestly the only thing I did today. I think I should have done something for tomorrow's accounting, but I just did American pancakes and yeah, chilled. Nothing else. Morning. Let's see, it's day 10. Yeah. I'm going to have a lot of work on the weekend coming up, so I did this quick and easy chickpea macaroni pasta salad thing, but it's really good. It's one of our family's go-to recipes without the chickpeas, but I like to add them. But it's very easy and lasts for a long time and actually fills you up. Oh, and one thing I noticed from this time lapse was that when I'm very stressed out and doing something, I don't know why my hand is always on my face. Hi, I didn't really feel much today, but I had my accounting exam and I've been just trying to study for my Spanish exam tomorrow morning. It's at 8:30, but I'm pretty sure in my friend group they sent this TikTok. So that's my mood. I'm pretty sure I'll have to retake the exam. It didn't go really well, all of the balance sheets and everything. When we've been doing Excel in the class, I've been like, yeah, I know these things. But now I don't. So that was the exam. And yeah, I've been studying with my friend who speaks Spanish, so she's been helping me. And you just saw what the time lapse, or I don't know in which part I'll put the time lapse, but we almost lost our nearly 20-page logistics group assignment, and I tried to revive it and get it back. And yeah, it took me almost 2 hours to get it right, but we didn't lose all of our work. That's good. But yeah, it's almost 10 in the evening, so I'll go to sleep, and tomorrow morning at 8:30 I have my Spanish 2 final exam. So looking forward to that. That that's it. Spanish is done and so are all the exams for the fall semester. Yay! And then I just took a shower and this is how I did my hair for today. I had a I think 7-hour work day today, so it was just very enjoyable. My Spanish exam lasted for 3 hours and I'm just waiting for the results. Wait, but hear me editing, I know them already, so I'm 5 points off from 100. Yee. And here's how my hair turned out. I just took off the rollers and left for work. So my parents drove me to work because they went to the store at the same time. And suddenly my day is done already. So now I'm just going home. I'm just walking. It's pretty late at night already, but it's fine. Yay, work is done for today. Okay, day 11. Day 11, it's our cousin's birthday. Or 11th of December is. Everyone's sleeping. So I think I'll narrate on top of this ASMR. So yeah, everyone's sleeping. I should go to bed as well, but I'll open this up. Okay, so yeah, I promised to narrate on top of this because I forgot to open the calendar in the morning. But day 11, I'm opening it now after work. It's not the midnight, but it's pretty late in the evening. This Saturday I didn't do any schoolwork, but I just left for work. I had a longer day in work, so I had a lunch break also, or a longer one. So here I am just enjoying lunch for the day. And then the day was done and I'm just walking to the car because my dad picked me up. And I was so hungry, so I did this vegetarian sausage thing noodle mix. But yeah, that's Saturday. Good morning. So for Sunday, this was my breakfast. My dad did this Christmas porridge because of course we have to try it out before Christmas Eve morning. So that's what I had. And then later in the evening I started to work on school things, but before that I did these graphics for my video before. You can check them out from there, but I really like just trying these myself. And then I decided to, or I had to go to my schoolworks. So this is my marketing plan that I continued from Monday. I've done this throughout the week as well, but here I did a lot of writing so that we got all of the pages and it's nearly done today. We got it nearly done with my partner for today, but we did continue it the next Monday, so the 14th, which was the send in as well. Okay, so once again I'm opening the calendar in the evening, but I somehow skipped number 13, so here's number 12, but yeah, look at my hair. But here's the whole week. That's it. Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next week. And happy Christmas and enjoy these times the best we can.